Hello my friend, and how are you doing? And then I am planning to give you information that what sounds car's engine, like in here, soon we can hear what sounds bad engine sound. And now I have in here Toyota, this Echo or Yaris car, where is bad engine failure, and soon I am planning to show you, and we can listen that what sounds bad engine. And now in that engine there is bad engine failure, and it is one specific metallic sound, and soon we listen that when I start that my car. And you can also learn that what are these very dangerous sounds in car engine. And this sound was quite difficult to notice in the first time, because it is only one metallic hammering sound. And now I am doing my investigation that what is this broken and damaged part in this Toyota Echo cars, this engine. And in that my case there is this 4-cylinder VVTi engine and gasoline engine, and there is now mileage about 200,000 miles in this engine, and it is quite much. And now I am thinking that maybe there can be this bearing failure in crankshaft, or then in bearing failure in connection rod, or then maybe this failure in car piston and this connection rod. There is one shaft what connects piston and connection rod. That can be an issue. And also I think that maybe this my piston, there is some damage in one of these my 4 pistons, that one of those piston is damaged. Maybe some part is missing or cut, and that makes this sound. But my friend, let's go to look that what this sound is, and before of that I started my engine that we can listen first sound. Okay, and here is the sound. But let's go to look that in engine area next. Okay, and now this my car is keeping that knocking sound, and when I add these revs, this sound becomes bigger. And this sound is this small hammering sound what makes that tack 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 tack. And it is in somewhere in here. And let's go to look closer. Okay, and now when we listen to that sound, I add a little bit revs. It came something like in here, this sound, in that area, I think. It came maybe in that area, this knocking sound. And it is quite difficult to notice that in what area this sound comes from. But I think that this area is this piston one area, I think. Okay, and now we think that if we listen, can we hear where is the sound? I think that this is area, or is it in here? Can we listen that where is the sound is higher? I think that in here we have the most. Here is maybe the most highest sound. And then I add reverb. In here. Now it is the most highest. Not maybe in here. Here. This sound. This not the sound. Okay. Okay, and then what I am planning to do next? I am next planning to take out this engine, and then I disassemble this engine, and then I search that what part is broken. And my friend, you can look this my research project step by step, and you can learn also that where this sound come from. Okay, and let's continue to do that job.